Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. It has been a while since I've recorded videos, and every time I thought I was going to do it again, it didn't work out. But things have been smoother in my life a little bit lately, and I've actually had some time to do this. So this video, I'm going to be showing you what comes in the Stampin' Up box when you sign up with Stampin' Up to be a demonstrator. Now, I do want to preface this by saying that every box is different because you get to decide what you get product-wise. The business supplies are going to be very similar, but the actual product itself is what you decide you want, which is kind of cool. So I like that they do that. This month, for August of 2019, they had a really good special going on where you get I think it's $150 worth of product, I believe, for only $99 plus taxes. And that came to like $105, I believe, is what the total was. So I was super excited because I've been wanting to do Stampin' Up for a very long time, if for no other reason than simply to get the discount to use on projects. So we're going to see how this goes, but I wanted to share with you what came in the box. And the shipping was super fast. I signed up like 2 days ago, I believe. Or no, it was on Saturday, and today is Wednesday. And it said it shipped yesterday, and I got it today. So either way, it was super fast. So this big, huge box showed up on my doorstep this morning. And we are going to go ahead and go through it. And I can show you everything that came in it. See if I can get some of these out of the way. All right. And of course, they've got all of this. I've already been through this box, by the way. But we'll go ahead and share it with you now. So I'm going to hide this paper because it has my address on it. But anyway, it's all stuffed in here really nice. Looks, of course, like I have this box upside down. But that's okay. We're just going to go through stuff. And I'll turn it over as we go through it. How does that sound? Okay. So of course you get the paper with the invoice that has all everything that comes in it. And then we start going through the goodies. So this right here are invitation cards if you have a party or a class. And so this is, I think it's 50 postcards that you get to use as invites. So that's one of the business supplies. Let's go through the business supplies first. They're the most boring bits. This is the welcome pack. And I have not opened this yet, so let's go ahead and do that and see what's inside. So it opens up here. And inside it looks like they have some of their little mini catalogs. And then a catalog about joining. Ooh, a pin. I always like a good pin. Personalized business and marketing tool advertisement that you can get. And of course, a welcome letter. So I will read that later on my own. Next, for business supplies, I see these, which are custom order forms for customers. And then we have a pack of their holiday catalogs for 2019. So that's good through September 4th to January 2nd of 2020. So I'm excited to look through those. Maybe I'll flip through it later. Or even better, I will link my website below, and then you can go there and look if you want. They have a virtual catalog you can go through. Then we have the host envelopes that you put everything in if you have someone that's going to hold a class for you, or a workshop, I believe as they call it. And this here is the yearly catalog. So this is for all of 2019, and it's thick. I mean, look at this. Hopefully you can see that okay. It's a pretty big catalog. Like, it took me a while to decide what I wanted to get. And I was using the virtual catalog to order. But that's a lot of good stuff. And they have some beautiful stuff. Here, let me show you real quick. So for example, you'll have a page like this. It's the whole suite of products, which is what I did. I ordered Actually, I did not order the full suite. Let me see if I can find mine here. It was Magnolia Morning, I think is what it's called. But I absolutely fell in love with it. The stuff on it is so beautiful. Here we go. Yep, Magnolia Lane. It is absolutely gorgeous. It does not say anything about, let's see. Anyway, so I just love this set, but the set itself, which is retails for $134.75, and that is with a bit of a discount. I think like a 10% discount off of products, or at least part of the products. It was on back order. So I was like, okay, well, we're just going to order bits and pieces. So I went ahead and got the stamp set and the memory dies and the embossing folder. Those three you can get, actually, I believe it was just the stamp set and the memory dies that I got, yes. That was 10% off for $63.75. And then I ordered the $10 embossing folder. I ordered the paper set, which is 12 sheets of 12 by 12 paper for $11.50. And I think that is all that I ordered from this. I wanted to get some other stuff, but it was all in back order. But I ordered, you'll see some other stuff that I ordered as well. So this is the type of stuff that you can get whenever you sign up. You can decide which products you want specifically, which I think is awesome, because then you don't get something that you'll never use. Now, the last business product is they have a monthly, like, Stampin' Up. It's Paper Pumpkin is what it's called. And it's a monthly kit that you can get for $22 that gives you a really awesome set of things to make like a project with. So it's like a monthly subscription box. So I'll show you real quick in here. So start your Paper Pumpkin journey in 3 easy steps. Step 1, put the kit together. Step 2, visit online training. Step 3, become a subscriber. And I have subscribed, but they sent this one with it, which I was super excited about. And it's got info for me as a new demonstrator on the back of there. Share a little love with Paper Pumpkin. So this is information about sharing and more about the box. And then I watched some videos of people opening them, and it looks like the way they're set up each time is very similar, but the products themselves, of course, are different. So inside we have these stamps, first of all, and this is a summer theme, which I was excited about. I was glad to get this. So it looks like I got some coral and a sand dollar and, oh my lands, why can I not think of what that's called? Anyway, the little sea star thing. And it says, "You are amazing. You made my day special." Starfish, thank you. Thank you, it means so much. Just a little smile. And my day is better because of you. And then it looks like some like seagrass or seaweed or something on that one. And then you also get a little ink set with it. And this one is the Coastal Cabana color. So that looks really pretty color. And it's all nice and neatly wrapped in tissue paper. So inside of here then, I'm going to set this box to the side. We have the actual kit with the additional pieces in it. So this one is you can make, and you don't have to make what's on here, but it gives you everything to do this with, obviously. So this is to make some cards in a card set. And that is awesome. So as you can see here, it's got all the other pieces that you need. Some twine, all the paper, some stickers it looks like. And maybe I should just go ahead and open this right now. So you can see what all comes inside of them. That is, if I can get this thing open. Ugh. I should have brought me some scissors because this is going to be difficult. There we go. All right. So we have this twine, and then we have so this, I wonder what this is. This looks like it's some like die cuts and stuff. Huh, that's kind of cool. Yep. So it's some little die cuts, and this is like acetate, it almost looks like. That's neat. So hopefully you can see those okay. And then we have a little plastic baggie that closes up. I'm guessing that this is to store the pieces that come with it, which I like a lot, because everything, the stamps, the ink, and the extra little pieces should fit in there really good. Okay, then we have several envelopes. So there's this print here, and there's also like the solid, oh never mind, it's not solid. The back side is solid. And then this is the same print, but it's just a slightly different color. So it's like a green and then like a teal aqua color. And then there's also these, which are, look like little miniature cards that they're, they've got that perforation down the middle here, or not perforation, but the bendy part. So yes, so you can fold it to make a little card. And there's that color. And then there's that kind of a whitewashed look. That's really pretty. And finally that. That's awesome. And then this looks to be some die cuts, and it's just little pieces. So this would be to use to, like, probably you can stamp a saying or something on it. And then there's some more die cuts. We've got the palm trees and little bits of sand for them to go with. Looks like there's 2 sheets of that. Oh, and then palm frond, it almost looks like, or some kind of plant. Oh, it looks like there's 2 sheets of that too. Nice. And those are all cut out. You just have to punch them out. And then another sheet of these. Let me show you, because you probably can't see that too well. So just that. And these are just a plain off-white color. Oh, those are pretty. So these are sand dollars and starfish. And they're very, I don't know if you can tell or not, but it's on glittery paper. That's cool. And then they have these little enamel dots. And I'm not sure, let me see if I can show this to you better. Let's see. They're not quite completely white. They've got a little bit of like just a natural stamp on it. Almost looks like a print with some numbers maybe. Oh, that's pretty awesome. All right. And then, hey, I always like it when I get cardboard because I can use that for projects. And then this paper that came with it has the instructions, I'm almost positive, if I can get it open. Yes. So that shows you how to make the project. So that's really cool. Now, everything that is left are the items that I ordered specifically from that Magnolia Dreams, or Magnolia Lane collection, as well as a couple other things. So this is the paper, which is absolutely gorgeous. So we will open that up and flip through the papers real quick. Oh, it's so pretty. And it's double-sided paper too. So you get 2 of this one, and the other side is the stripes. That's really pretty. And then you get 2 of this lighter version. The other side is green stripes. Oh, look how beautiful that is together. And then you get 2 like this that's got the white magnolias with some shading in there and then a green background. And then it has this brown, I don't know if it's showing up brown or not, but brown with the white printing on it. That's gorgeous. And then this one with that beautiful bit, and then this on the back. Oh, I'm so excited to use these. And then this print here with that print on the back. And finally, last but certainly not least, a little mini magnolia print with that on the back. That is gorgeous. So I'll show you all these papers together in a minute so you can see. And then this is just what it was on to kind of give it some stiffness so it doesn't get bent. Now, let's start with these. So, Good Morning Magnolia. These are the cling stamp sets, 1 of 1 and 2 of, or 1 of 2 and 2 of 2. So there's 2 of them in this set. So I'm not going to open it up and punch them out, but I will show you the back here. it comes in this entire block, and then you just punch out, which it's already been cut, but you just punch out the pieces that you need to use. So that's kind of different. I wonder why they do it that way. It's kind of interesting. Anyway, this one has the big magnolia. It has a little leaf. It has hello and thanks. And then this one has this smaller magnolia bud. This neat little design. Thinking of you. The journey of life is best shared with a friend. We'll get through this together. Enjoy today. And not only for what you do, but for being someone so special. That is cool. So I ordered the cut and emboss thing as well. So this is the embossing folder. Go ahead and open it up and show it to you. So that's cool. So you can probably tell, I'll kind of turn it a little bit here so you can see. And then you just run that through an embossing machine. That's awesome. All right, and then finally, the die cuts that come with it. So on this one then, it has, and they package everything so nicely. I'm very impressed. So this has all of these die cuts which make a big magnolia flower, and then of course there's a few extra ones for extra pieces and stuff as well. So I will have to use this kit to make something and then video it and show you what I'm doing. And then last but certainly not least, I bought an entire set of their Stampin' pads, and these are the neutrals. So, and they have really, really nice stamping pads, and they're really big too, as you can see. So this one, I'm gonna not open each one individually because they're each individually wrapped, which I really, really like. But this one is Basic Gray. We have Mary Merlot, Night of Navy, Mossy Meadow, and Gray Granite. And that's the first 5. Well, we're not done yet. We have Early Espresso, Sahara Sand, Crumb Cake, I like the names they come up with, Smoky Slate, and Soft Suede. So that's awesome. Huh. Anyway, I can't wait to use them. So that all comes with that. And then I will go ahead and show you real quick here. I'll just leave the box, but I wanted to show you all these papers together kind of so that you can kind of see how they all coordinate. Let's see if we can do this. Where you can see them. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful they are. And they've got so many different sets like this. So you can buy entire suites of things. And I'm sure I will learn more and more about this. Right now, I'm just a bit of a beginner, so I don't know a whole lot about it yet. But they have smaller sets as well that just have, like, don't have quite as many products. But look at that. Look how beautiful that is. All those different coordinating papers. I'm going to have to make a journal out of this, I think. I believe that's what I'm going to go with. Anyhow, there you go. That is what I got in my Stampin' Up starter kit. Let me know what you think. Are you a distributor, or have you ever been a distributor, or have you ever used Stampin' Up products? I'm really excited to use these. Be sure to comment below with your thoughts on it. I believe I told you, yes I did, that I paid $105 total for all of these products, which is awesome considering how much you get, and the business supplies. So, hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And be sure to hit the follow button if you would like to see more videos like this, because I'm going to be doing more crafty videos. And eventually I hope to get back to some subscription boxes as well, as I've had before. But anyhow, be sure to give it a follow, ring the bell if you want to know when I get more. And I appreciate very much that you have watched this video. Have a great day, and I will talk to you next time. Bye for now.